here we're looking at the weekly chart. I have delineated the high and the low of the previous week's candle. As you can see, we are now above last week's high. Last week, gold created a bullish hammer candle, and we're above that candle now, so technically this looks bullish. Now, I have plotted those same weekly levels on this daily chart, and as you can see, we burst through this level at the back end of last week. On Monday it was. Yesterday, on Tuesday, gold came back down and it's now retesting that breakout level. So if I put a box here, you can see that price is currently testing that level of support. Now what I've done is I've marked out the previous day's high and low, these red levels, and I have basically copied those levels onto this 4-hour chart. And so far, it's the bears have had lots of attempts to break through that level, but they failed. Bulls are holding firm there, and by the looks of it, things are looking bullish for gold still. So I wouldn't be surprised if the precious metal were to rally away from here and head towards this week's earlier highs. But more to the point, I think there will be lots, bigger stops resting above the previous highs at 1703. So I think that's where gold is heading towards in the next couple of days or so. So somewhere like here. What it does after that, I don't know, but I think that's the most likely area gold is reaching out for. Now, it's possible we may see gold come a little bit deeper within this area of consolidation before bouncing back, but ideally what you don't want to do is you don't want to see price go below the low of this thrust candle that was created on Monday. Any move below that level, then I think that would be bearish, because this is a sharp clean move, right? So you don't want gold to go back below that level, the low of that candle. If it does go below that level, then at 1609, if it goes below 1609, then all bets are off. So that's my invalidation level, if you like. Now what you don't want to see as well is you don't want to see a deep retracement, because if the trend is indeed strong, what you want to see is shallow retracements and continuation higher. By the way, the moving averages are pointing higher. The 200 in blue, the 21-day exponential, both objectively telling us that the trend is bullish. Price is also making higher highs, higher lows, etc., etc. So there you have it. I think gold is heading towards 1703 from here. First target is the liquidity above yesterday's high or this week's high at 1678.